What's up, folks? Happy Wednesday. And for this Water Chug Wednesday, I got this. Boom. S. Pellegrino. Sparkling water. Which is San Pellegrino. Oh yes, it's the 1899. So we're gonna chug out of this. It's 1 liters and also it's made with sparkling neutral mineral water. So without further ado, let's get chugging. So first, let me open this up. Ooh, man. It's not much sizzle. And not much bubbly. But I can hear the sizzle and you all can too. Without further ado, let's get chugging. 3, 2, 1. Woo-wee! Man, that's good. Woo! Man. You can taste the carbonation, and man, it's so. Oh, every water tastes good. Well, anyway, that's the end of the video. Well, if you like this video, go ahead, give it a like, and subscribe to my channel if you're new followers, and make sure to come up. And I don't know about that. My apologies.